Hi everybody, we're going to be writing a character profile of Sue Potato. So what I want you to think about today is thinking about Sue Potato. How could you describe him? So describe his appearance, what does he look like? And also think about what type of personality does he have? What type of person is he? Is he a nice person? Is he an evil person? So I want you to pause the video and I want you to have a little bit of a think. You might want to write some ideas down because it will help you then with the next part of the lesson. How would you describe Sue Potato's appearance and his personality? Off you go. So here are some words that I've chosen. So here about his appearance, I've put shiny red cape. So it's not just a cape, is it? Remember, we've got to explain what it looked like and describe it for the reader. So I've got shiny red cape, scary black mask, round body, short legs and arms, and a black belt. I bet you came up with some other ideas as well, didn't you? Personality. He's helpful, super strong, powerful, kind, smiley, fast, persevered. He was resilient, victorious, and he was a hero. So what we're going to do with these words is we're going to pop them into some sentences to create a profile all about Sue Potato. So using the word bank, and I'll pop it back on in a second, is I want you to write me some sentences and I want you to remember these. Every sentence must start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. You must read your sentences to check they make sense. Could you use a conjunction to extend your sentence like and, or, so, but, because, like we've used in our grammar lesson this week? Could you, a little bit of a challenge here, write a sentence using a comma as a list? So, using these words that I've got on here, or others of your own, because I'm sure you've got some fabulous ideas and better ideas than mine, I want you to write me a profile all about Sue Potato. Then when you've done that, if you put the video back on, then I will show you the profile that I've done. So off you go, using these word banks and words of your own, please write me a profile all about Sue Potato. Okay, so here is my profile. So I've written, Sue Potato is wearing a shiny red cape so he can fly through the air and achieve his missions. He has a black mask to disguise his face and he has a smooth black belt around his tummy. His body is round and his legs and arms are very short. Sue Potato is super strong, powerful and extremely speedy. He was so resilient because he did not give up until the pea was back in the freezer where he belonged. Sue Potato was very helpful to all the other vegetables because he saved the day for them. So I want you to look at your profile and I want you to look at mine and I want you to compare them. Which do you think is better? Do you think yours is better than mine? How do you think you could maybe improve yours or improve mine? So now you've written your own profile and you've seen mine, your next task is, I want you to maybe look at some sentences that you've done or some sentences that I've done and see if you can improve them. So maybe where I haven't used a conjunction or you haven't, could you write it again with a conjunction? So just underneath your work, you don't need to do it in a blue pen, just underneath, see if you can try and change one or two of your sentences or one or two of my sentences to make them even better. Then don't forget, you need to send your work over on Tapestry. Take care, everybody.